The topic is general equation of second degree in x and y. हमने देखा है कि the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. This is homogeneous equation of second degree in x and y. ये होगा homogeneous equation of second degree in x and y. It represents two lines passing through origin. And this is the joint equation of pair of lines passing through origin. Now the equation of the form. Equation कौन से फॉर्म में आता है? ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Equation of this form is general equation of second degree in x and y. So write down the equation of the form ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Where at least one of a, b, h is non-zero. यानी a, b और h ये तीनों में से कम एक टर्म नॉन जीरो होना चाहिए. At least one of these three terms is non-zero is general equation of second degree in x and y. ये हो गया जनरल इक्वेशन ऑफ सेकंड डिग्री इन एक्स एंड वाई. अब अपने निकाला है जॉइंट इक्वेशन ऑफ पेयर ऑफ लाइंस नॉट पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन. और जॉइंट इक्वेशन ऑफ पेयर ऑफ लाइंस नॉट पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन इज द जनरल इक्वेशन ऑफ सेकंड डिग्री इन एक्स एंड वाई. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज जॉइंट equation of a pair of lines not passing through origin. Passing through origin at equation y equal to x के फॉर्म में. Not passing through origin we consider general equation. Write down let a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Be two lines not passing through origin. And therefore their combined equation is इनका कंबाइन इक्वेशन आएगा u into v equal to 0. That means a1x plus b1y plus c1 into a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. ब्रैकेट ऑफ करेंगे. फर्स्ट टाइम a1 a2x square plus a1 b2 xy plus a1 c2 x plus b1 a2 xy plus b1 b2 y square plus b1 c2 y plus c1 a2 x plus c1 b2 y plus c1 c2 इक्वल टू 0। टर्म को रीअरेंज करेंगे। पहले a1 a2 x स्क्वायर प्लस xy की दो टर्म है, टेकिंग xy कॉमन, a1 b2 प्लस b1 a2 इंटू xy प्लस b1 b2 y स्क्वायर प्लस x के दो टर्म है, एक a1 c2 x प्लस c1 a2 x, x कॉमन, a1 c2 प्लस c1 a2 इंटू x प्लस y के दो टर्म्स है, b1 c2 y प्लस c1 b2 y, y कॉमन, b1 c2 प्लस c1 b2 इंटू y प्लस c1 c2 इक्वल टू 0। Now a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 are constant terms, so taking a1 a2 equal to a, b1 b2 equal to b, c1 c2 equal to रखना है c, xy का कोएफिशिएंट रखना है ट्वाइस h, x का कोएफिशिएंट ट्वाइस g और y का कोएफिशिएंट रखेंगे ट्वाइस h। टेकिंग a1 a2 equal to a, b1 b2 equal to b, c1 c2 equal to c, a1 b2 plus b1 a2 equal to twice h, a1 c2 plus c1 a2 equal to twice g, b1 c2 plus c1 b2 equal to twice f, we get ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, and this is general equation of second degree in x and y. This is the general equation of second degree in x and y. Now every homogeneous equation of second degree in x and y represents two lines, but this is not true in case of general equation of second degree in x and y. Every general equation of second degree in x and y need not represent pair of lines. तो वहाँ पे कंडीशन है, यदि कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होती है तो दिस इक्वेशन विल रिप्रेजेंट पेयर ऑफ लाइंस। आगे देंगे अपन अभी कंडीशन। कंडीशन फॉर द जनरल इक्वेशन of second degree in x and y. To represent a pair of lines. जनरल इक्वेशन है ax स्क्वायर प्लस 2hxy प्लस by स्क्वायर प्लस 2gx प्लस 2fy plus c equal to 0. The necessary condition for the general equation of second degree in x and y to represent a pair of lines is, एक पहली कंडीशन आती है abc प्लस ट्वाइस fgh माइनस af स्क्वायर माइनस bg स्क्वायर माइनस ch स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0. और सेकंड कंडीशन इसमें h स्क्वायर माइनस ab greater than or equal to 0. The equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is general equation of second degree in x and y. The necessary condition for this equation to represent a pair of lines is abc plus twice fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square equal to 0. And h square minus ab greater than or equal to 0. Now the equation, general equation of second degree means this equation. If this equation represents two lines passing through two lines, then पहली कंडीशन आता है कि two lines represented by general equation are parallel to two lines represented by this homogeneous equation. If general equation of second degree in x and y represents two lines, then these two lines are parallel to two lines represented by homogeneous equation. Second number. If this equation represents two lines, then acute angle theta between them is given by the formula tan theta equal to mod of 2 under root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. The two lines represented by this equation are perpendicular to each other if a plus b equal to 0. If two lines are parallel, then condition is h square minus ab equal to 0. Fifth number है, if this equation represents two lines, then their point of intersection of the two lines is hf minus bg upon ab minus h square. Y coordinate आएगा gh minus af upon ab minus h square. This is the point of intersection of two lines represented by this equation.